What if I told you that learning to draw could feel as easy and relaxing as listening to your favorite song? Imagine unlocking your creativity and bringing your imagination to life with just a few simple strokes. Whether you're a total beginner or just want to improve your sketching skills, this app makes the process simple, fun, and surprisingly satisfying. Follow along with detailed tutorials that show you exactly how to create amazing drawings, one line at a time. It's like having your own personal art teacher, available anytime. You can select animals, nature, objects, or characters, while the app builds a personalized learning path suited to your interests. Pause or replay lessons, seeing your skills improve with every session, making drawing enjoyable for everyone. Safe, easy to use, and filled with fun lessons. Drawing feels like play with no pressure and no complicated tools. New content is added every week, perfect for those wanting to take their skills to the next level. See real progress with every sketch, enjoying the therapeutic act of drawing. So if you've ever looked at a blank page and thought, I wish I could draw, this app is your chance to finally make it happen. Pick up your phone, open Simply Draw, and start drawing the way you've always wanted.